Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome to Anu Academy. In today's class in our channel, we will discuss Assistant Executive Engineering Paper 2. Subject is Mechanical Engineering. So this is for 300 marks. So you will get 150 questions and marks is for 300 marks. So each question carries 2 marks. Okay. So syllabus here it is of three sections, so we'll start with section 1, section 2 and section 3. So the thing is we should understand the importance of syllabus. So what are the topics are framed in the syllabus, and which subject we are very familiar, and how to start the preparation, and how much time we have to give for preparation. All these things we can understand in today's class. Okay, if you are not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel. Okay, and now we'll start discussing this syllabus. So section 1 is applied mechanics and design. So here we are having subtopics like engineering mechanics, strength of materials, theory of machines, vibrations and machine design. Okay, so applied mechanics and design. So first is engineering mechanics. In this engineering mechanics we have to focus on free body diagrams and equilibrium, friction, rolling friction, belt pulley, screw jack, wedge, trusses and frames, virtual work, kinematics and dynamics of particles and rigid bodies in plane motion, impulse and momentum, linear and angular and energy formulations and impact. Okay, so next is strength of materials, stress and strain, strain relationship, and elastic constants. Poisson's ratio, Morse circle for plane stress and plane strain, thin cylinders, shear force and bending moment diagrams, bending and shear stresses, deflection of beams, torsion of circular shafts, Euler's theory of columns, energy methods, thermal stresses, testing of materials with universal testing machine, hardness and impact strength. So this is strength of materials. Next is theory of machines, displacement, velocity and acceleration, analysis of plane mechanisms, dynamic analysis of slider crank mechanisms, gears and gate trains, flywheels, gyroscope and governors, balancing of reciprocating and rotating masses. So this is theory of machines. Okay, so the one thing we have to identify here is for your BTech examination you will be studying each subject semester wise, but if you are entering into a competitive exam, so entire degree level you will be asked questions. Okay, so you have to keep these things in your mind and you have to prepare. Next, vibrations, free and forced vibration of single degree of freedom systems, effect of damping, vibration isolation, resonance, critical speeds of shafts. And machine design, design for static and dynamic loading, failure theories, fatigue strength, SN diagram, design of machine members such as bolted, riveted and welded joints, shafts, spur gates, rolling and sliding contact bearings, springs, brakes and clutches. So all these things comes under section 1. Okay, so section 1 means so we can expect three sections are framed in the syllabus. So each section contains 100 marks, like that we can expect. Okay, now we'll move to our section 2. So section 1 we came to know about applied mechanics and design. We'll move to our section 2. See, in this section 2 we can see it is about fluid mechanics and thermal sciences, and here also we are having subtopics like fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics, power engineering, IC engines, refrigeration and air conditioning, turbo machinery. Okay, so syllabus is very vast, and based on the syllabus you have to start preparation. Okay, so fluid mechanics, fluid particles, fluid statics, panometry, buoyancy, forces on submerged bodies, stability of floating bodies, fluid acceleration, differential equations of continuity and momentum, Bernoulli's equation, viscous flow of incompressible fluids, boundary layer, elementary turbulent flow through pipes, head losses in pipes and pens. So this is so related to fluid mechanics. And the next is heat transfer, modes of heat transfer, one-dimensional heat conduction, resistance, concept, electrical analogy, Finn's unsteady heat conduction, dimensionless parameters in free and forced convective heat transfer, various correlations for heat transfer in flow over flat plates and through pipes, effect of turbulence, radiative heat transfer, black and gray surfaces, shape factors, network analysis, heat exchanger performance, LMTD and NTU methods. So all these things comes under heat transfer. Okay. Next, thermodynamics, thermodynamic systems and processes, properties of pure substances, behavior of ideal and real gases, zeroth and first laws of thermodynamics, calculation of work and heat in various processes, second law of thermodynamics, thermodynamic property, availability and irreversibility, thermodynamic relations. Okay, and next, power engineering. You can see air compressors, reciprocating and rotary compressors, Rankine, Brayton cycle, and with regeneration, intercooling, and reheat. IC engines, air standard auto and diesel cycles, combustion in SI and CI engines, performance and testing of internal combustion engines. Okay, refrigeration and air conditioning, vapor refrigeration cycle, heat pumps, gas refrigeration, reverse Brayton cycle, moist air, psychrometric chart, basic psychrometric processes, and turbo machinery, Pelton Francis and Kaplan turbines, impulse and reaction turbines, and velocity diagrams. Okay, so this is our section 2, fluid mechanics and thermal sciences. Okay, so we'll move to our third section. Okay, so our paper 3 in this this is our third section 3, materials manufacturing and industrial engineering. So this is our third section. In this we are having subtopics: engineering materials, metal casting, metal forming, joining processes, machining and machine tool operations, metrology and inspection, computer integrated manufacturing, production planning and control, inventory control, operations, research. Okay, so we'll start this one. We'll discuss the syllabus for our third section. Engineering materials, structure and properties of engineering materials, heat treatment, stress strain diagrams for engineering materials, iron carbon diagram. Okay, metal casting, design of patterns, molds and cores, solidification and cooling riser and gating design, metal forming, plastic deformation and yield criteria, fundamentals of hot and cold working processes, load estimation for bulk, forging, rolling, extrusion, drawing and sheet, shearing, deep drawing, bending, metal forming processes, principles of powder metallurgy. So this is metal forming. And joining processes, principles, gas, arc, resistance and solid state of welding, brazing, soldering, adhesive bonding. And machining and machine tool operations, mechanics of machining, basic machine tools, single and multi-point cutting tools, tool geometry and materials, tool life and tool wear, economics of machining, principles of non-traditional machining processes, principles of work holding devices, principles of jigs and fixtures. Metrology and inspection, limits, fits and tolerances, linear and angular measurements, comparators, gauge, interferometry, form and surface finish measurement, alignment and testing methods, tolerance analysis in manufacturing and assembly. Next, computer integrated manufacturing, basic concepts of CAD/CAM and their integration tools, production planning and control, forecasting models, aggregate production planning, scheduling materials, requirement planning, and inventory control, deterministic models, safety stock inventory control systems, and operations research, linear programming, simplex method, transportation, assignments, simple queuing models, PERT, and CPM. Okay, so this is our 3 sections we have discussed in today's class. I think all of you understood the importance. See, you have to understand the importance of syllabus. Okay, so each subject, whatever the subtopics are framed in the syllabus, and based on the syllabus only we have to complete our preparation. Okay, so that is our importance of our understanding the syllabus. We think all of you are very known with this syllabus. Okay, if you need any additional information, post in the comments box. Definitely I will give you reply. If you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe, like and share our channel. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for watching.